Hello, hello, hello mga kakotse. Welcome dito sa All Cars Showroom. Ayan, ay kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am Evelyn, si Boss Franz, saka si Boss Jean. Naka-avail sila sa atin ng 2017 Fortuner. Talagang sariwa-sariwa at napaka-very fresh in and out yung ating na-avail ni na Boss Franz at Ma'am Evelyn. Ma'am Evelyn, tama tanong lang namin yung inyong all cars experience.
Opo. Masaya po ako kasi yung mga tao, they have their different parang departments at lahat ng issue na-address naman po at saka very helpful sila, really helpful and friendly.
Okay, thank you very much. Meron ba kayong na-experience sa mga difficulties sa process ng all cars?
Wala po actually, wala. It's very nice that the process is really fast and that very accommodating yung mga people. Even for the things that we weren't looking for, kunyari nag-inquire lang kami sa isang sasakyan, they were offering a lot of choices. Kaya isa rin yun sa mga na-appreciate ko dito.
Okay,
Yes.
tama na. At nakita ko parang ilang oras lang na-approve yung inyong yung inyong yung auto loan nyo.
Yes,
Less
mabilis.
than half a day, yung nabigay lang namin yung mga requirements and okay naman na. Nung ni-review nila, umalis na kami and then meron na kagad approval nung nag-message sila na approve na daw. So we are so happy.
Eh, nakita ko sa GC natin, parang wala pang 2 hours na
Yun
approve
nga
na. Kaya pass approval talaga. Last question na lang, Ma'am Evelyn, marerecommend nyo po ba ang All Cars by Jessen Mendoza sa mga friends nyo at relatives?
Definitely po. Definitely. Actually, we're already thinking of, some friends. Kahit kami, babalik po kami.
We're planning to repurchase another car.
Yeah. And we like their service.
Eh, may plano po pala si na ma'am at boss na kumuha pa ng isa dahil sa nagustuhan nila yung service ng All Cars Showroom. Once again, mga kakotse, this is your trusted car salesman, Jason Mendoza, your certified kakotse. Helps you to turn your dream car into reality even in a complicated cases. Punta na kayo dito sa aming showroom.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Salamat.
That's why kasi we need another